welcome back to our channel. So we're out here at Pismo Beach. We got a room just for the night. We went to the sand dunes yesterday, but I didn't want to record just because we already kind of had a video on that, so I don't want to bore you guys with the same thing. But yeah, this you guys gotta check out this room. It's freaking amazing. Well, not just the room in particular, the view, the hotel. Check that out. Like, we woke up to this morning, and it is beautiful. Yeah, so we're gonna walk around. We're gonna check out the hotel because there's quite a bit of things to do. It's really scenic here, so yeah, you guys will see right now.
Swing me.
I am. Anything else, Master?
I want some coconut water.
Some grapes fed to your mouth?
Yes. This is so cool. Oh my god, we need one of these, babe.
I know.
Whenever we buy a house, let's get one of these. Look out here too, babe. Can you? Dude, I'm gonna fall. Dude, stop it. Dude, I'm gonna break this shit. Babe, stop. Stop it. We're too loud.
You're too loud. I didn't do
You're
anything.
making me get loud.
I didn't do anything.
Look, right here, me traes mi agua de coco.
Okay, ahí te la pongo.
O una michelada.
Una michelada.
I'm gonna push así como me hiciste a mí.
I'm gonna break it. I don't think it's capable of 295 pounds.
95, no mames.
No, I'm not 295. Like a little cove over there. We don't have access to it, but we have access to another one on that side, which we're gonna go to right now.
Wow. That's amazing.
Right?
Oh my god.
First impression. I
He
can't.
came last night, but it was too cold, so I stayed in the room.
Our friend Ruben actually is staying right here in the same hotel with us right now.
He's right next door to our room.
Yeah. So in the morning when I opened the sliding door, there was a seagull, and he came out. He's like, "Oh, dude, you're the freaking seagull whisperer," because he was like standing like right there. Seagull was like not moving at all. He didn't care. He didn't care about me. Oh, hey, what's up, dude? Can I help you?
Yeah, he still didn't leave.
Yeah, he still
We
didn't
sat down where they have some little chairs in the balcony, and he still didn't leave. So
Yeah.
he's pretty used to people.
Yeah, him and our buddy Danny is actually gonna go with us to Montaña De Oro right now. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Tu mero mole, babe.
Yep. Pretty.
What do you think about the flowers?
They're beautiful.
And we just started our hike. Who's gonna eat shit?
Me.
Hey,
Got lemon?
Lemon?
You're all scared. Almost have to keep the water.
Estamos perdidas.
Perdidos, perdidos.
That's dope. liking the hike?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Cold?
I'm getting a little.
This is all she brought.
I forgot to bring an undershirt.
And she's not wearing a shirt under. Come in here. Come. Stop being a weenie. Come.
No.
Come.
No.
I'm serious.
No, I don't want to go.
Hey. Come.
Andamos perdidas.
Watch the backpack. It's gonna get caught. Oh fuck!
That looks like a hand! Oh my god! No!
Hey, it looks like a what?
A hand!
A hand? Oh my god. Looks like a fucking chicken leg, dude.
It looks like a hand! Shell.
Shell?
I'm bigger!
Watch you find like a freaking 5 foot tall one. But that one is bigger. Hey babe, what do you rate this place? 1 out of 5 stars.
1 out of 5?
Yeah.
F***ing 10 plus plus plus. Oh, I said 5.
Oh, I said.
You could blur that out, right?
Yeah, I was gonna go beep. So you give it 10 plus plus plus.
Yes, this place is so beautiful. You need to like show them that.
Yeah.
Look.
The waves come with like a lot of force.
Where are they at?
Like she's holding all my camera gear. But not because I'm mean. She said she was cold. Right, babe?
Yeah.
You got cold, so you decided to hold all my gear
Yes.
so she can keep her back warm.
Well, he was hiking down the cliffs. Me and the girls were on the top, so we were really cold while they were over there having fun.
Yeah.
And I decided to carry the backpack. So while we walked, I can sweat a little, get some heat. But you can have it back.
What?
Here you go.
You don't want it no more?
Thanks for reminding me.
I shouldn't have said nothing.
I want to take a picture here.
Where? Right
On
there?
the cliff.
Okay, go.
Carnita de Culiacán. Quemando llanta.
Quemando llanta. Estás bien loco, güey, no mames.
Oh, there's nothing here. It's a cliff.
No way.
We have to go back down.
It's a cliff?
¿Y para allá?
Oh my god. Fucking crazy ass. That shit would have broken my fat ass.
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Look how small he looks. Oh shit, it is a fucking rattlesnake, dude. Oh fuck. I recorded that too.
You did?
Oh, that was funny.
I was gonna slap you.